Buenos dias. The time is 6:55. I've had like, what, I don't know, better check. 6 hours sleep, but my sleep score is shocking because of him. We're up bright and early just so we can go for a wee. Still a puppy. He's not even 1 yet. He's just a big boy. Wanna go back in? Doesn't like the lift either. He's scared of the lift. That's me up for the day, innit? Today is, I feel like gonna just be another rest day. I might go to the gym later on if I'm be bothered. But I just feel shattered, like. I had a good night last night. Had a late one though, you know what I mean, so. No, the dog won't come back in. Come on. Ronnie. Come on. See what he's like in the lift, watch. Come on. Come in the lift. Doesn't like the lift. Why is his back legs like that? I'm gonna get on the scales later. Bye! Right, that's the mother gone, and dog gone, and stepdad gone. Really nice to see them. I enjoyed the time. But I'm now gonna weigh myself. And my mum and Kevin bought some pancakes. So I'm having pancakes for breakfast. Honestly, it's not looking good so far because I've been out 2 nights for food. And I've only done 2 runs. I've done 24 kilometres this week, to be fair, so I've only got to do about 10k to hit me miles. So I will do that, but yeah. Anyway, let's weigh. This is also what I look like on the 31st of August. Still fat. I'm a lot heavier today. That's expected though, because I've not been the best, but when family comes and stuff, like, I'm not gonna not do stuff with them or not enjoy myself because I'm trying to lose weight, so it is what it is. Doesn't mean we stop, doesn't mean anything, just keep going. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, I would normally make my own pancakes, but my mum brought them, so as I said, so I'm gonna have some. I've got some raspberries and blueberries to go with them, and some whipped cream. I'm basically just being a fat cunt. Oh, that was hot. Syrup, I don't really know. I'm gonna wait actually and track the pancakes because that'll all be on here. Okay, that's like 13 grams. 14 grams of golden syrup. And 10 grams of whipped cream. And then that's, Anna's looks quite nice, to be fair.
Everyone should get out of the queue. So,
That was bloody lovely. Well, the day is very nice. I hope there's not too much wind noise, like. One real day, so I think I'm just going to take myself out for a little walk. My shin's hurting still, so I just need to kind of rest there, but I still want to do a little bit of exercise, so going for a walk. Right, so for tea tonight, we have decided to do beef burgers, but homemade, so it's 5% fat beef. I've literally had a fucking beef burger for 3 days in a row. That's fucking disgusting. And we're gonna do sweet potato fries with it as well. So, like homemade sweet potato fries. So that it should be quite a low calorie meal. And I've only ate that one thing today, so I can't. It's not that bad of a day, really. I just haven't really done any exercise, but I might go to the gym after I've ate my tea tonight. Just to kill a bit of time and obviously get some work in, because I've slacked off today, but I have been up early and I'm just tired, but I don't want to make excuses. And it's a Saturday night, so if anything, I'm doing well for not going out and getting pissed. Until I will have tea, I'm just watching Outdoor Boys. I have decided to go to the gym, so I'm gonna have some hard-boiled eggs, 2, on a, well, soft-boiled, the gooey ones I had the other day, on a slice of sourdough, just 1 slice, and then we're gonna have the burgers later. So quickly scran that and we're going to the gym. So I was going to do a light gym bike session. Got the gym to myself because it's a Saturday night at 7 p.m. I'm going to do like 40 minutes on the bike, like just the equivalent of me runs. My runs are about 40 to 50 minutes long, so do that, then have tea, and then chill for the evening. My arse is killing. How do cyclists cycle for longer than 40 minutes? Oh my god. My arse really hurts. Oh, fuck. That's the 40 minutes on the bike done. Let's go and make some burgers. The day is done. The day is done. We ended up having chicken burgers for tea because the mincemeat was off, hence why you see chicken burgers. But to be fair, it's probably a lot healthier. I'm going to work out the calories and stuff, because it was literally just one big chicken breast, cut in half. Put in 2 burgers, 2 bits of plastic cheese, lettuce, and sweet potato fries, and it was actually bloody lovely. I'm gonna go in the shower now, and I will catch us in the morning. Good night.